Hey guys, my name is Elle if you're new here, and if you're not, thank you so much for coming back and hanging out with me today. I normally do not do this type of video. This will be my first ever kind of reseller related video on this channel. I think I've done a couple thrift hauls way back in the day, but they were things for me. So I have a fun unboxing today. I have been in my free time lately. I've really been working on my Poshmark and MERCARI shops, just reselling items for profit. I'll have my referral codes down below if you are new to Poshmark or MERCARI and are looking for any fashion, home, accessory, beauty items, either new or used. There's a lot of like brand new stuff on there. I think you get $10 off your first purchase on either one if you don't have an account, if you use my link below. But this has been my little side hustle, so to speak, lately. So I normally do videos about cruelty-free beauty and home fragrance and lifestyle, a lot of Bath and Body Works videos and like candle reviews and hauls and stuff like that. So this is a little different for me. So Thredup is like an online thrift store, and some people will get their inventory from there. And I have been watching so many like Thredup rescue box unboxings, which is what this is. They sell rescue boxes, which are items that could be kind of beat up. They do have some disclaimers when you buy them. They have all different themes, but they're items either that they didn't accept to sell on their site that someone sent in, or they could be things that they've had listed for a long time, or just things, I don't know. From what I hear, they sound very overwhelmed. They've had a lot of people sending stuff in throughout the pandemic, so I think they just have a lot of extra stuff right now. And you can buy these boxes kind of at a discount. They do like mixed clothing. They have all sorts of themes. There's men's ones, jewelry, handbags. This is one of the shoe boxes, and normally they'll just sell mixed sizes, but what got me excited about this one, this is my first ever rescue box I've bought, even though I've been super tempted to get one just for inventory, just to see what would be in it, because I hear such good things and then such bad things. It's really a mixed bag. But this one, you were able to choose the shoe size. So they had sizes, I think 6, 6.5, 7, 7.5, and 8, depending on the day. These rescue boxes go in and out of stock constantly, so I check their website all the time just to see what they have, because I've been so tempted and I've been watching so many unboxing videos. But this one, I actually got to choose my shoe size, so this really is for me. But you know, I might resell some of these things if I try them on and they're not comfortable. I don't know, we'll see what we have. So I might resell, but they are my size, so I can keep them. So I got a size 7.5. I'm kind of between that and an 8, so we'll see how these fit. I think this was 5 pairs for $34, and then you do have to pay $5.99 shipping. I tried looking up free shipping codes. I couldn't find any. And this came today. They do say it could take up to 2 weeks to ship from the time you order, but I think mine shipped like 2 or 3 business days afterwards. It was pretty fast. I think I ordered it about a week ago, maybe 8 days ago now, and it came in today. So I've been super excited. It has the cute little polka dots. This is how big it is for the 5 pairs. And this box did come out of Pennsylvania. I know people kind of like to note which warehouse it's from, because certain ones are better than others. One YouTuber I've been watching a lot of her Thredup rescue unboxings, a diva on a dime. She's so cute. I love her videos. She mentioned one of her latest shoe boxes was from Pennsylvania, and she was really excited about that because I guess they have some of her favorite boxes. So hopefully that's a good sign, and I'm excited to show you what I got. I cannot wait to see what's in here. I hope nothing's too beat up. I don't feel like fixing anything that's like crumbling or falling apart, but I have been learning a lot of good shoe cleaning hacks, and I've been cleaning them up and finding a lot of cool thrifted shoes, even for myself. I'm so excited. Finally bit the bullet and got one of these. Normally you can't choose the shoe size, so I don't know, maybe this is something new they're doing, or it was limited edition, or maybe they're gonna do that more going forward. I don't know. This box isn't too heavy. You'd think 5 pairs of shoes, so there's probably not like boots or anything heavy duty in here. I don't know. My hair looked better earlier today, but you know what? Sometimes you just gotta throw on the bucket hat. If you're interested to learn more about where I got this, I will link that video up above. So funny, every Thredup unboxing I watch, they always go, and there's the invoice on the top. So I guess I have to say that. I think that's just like a thing that happens. So they do wrap it up in tissue paper and make it look all nice, although it is a little crumpled. I don't know, but they do try to make it look cute, so they're not just throwing them in here. It says sealing deal since 2009. I did not hear of them until a few years ago. I did not know they were around that long. Okay, there's some sneakers. See a lot of colorful things in here. Lots of pops of color. So these blue ones are sticking out at me. These say J. Crew, made in Italy, leather upper and leather lining. They're just this pretty blue wedge. I love this color. I do kind of really like wedges. I'm not a big heels person, but I will do a wedge. This one looks to be in pretty good shape. I'll show somewhere. Not bad. This one has, I don't know. I guess I recently got a suede brush. I guess I'll try to brush it out. Should be okay. Not too bad. I feel like in this condition is totally something I would pick up at the thrift store. So I could actually see myself maybe wearing these. And then I can always like try them once or twice if they don't work out, then list them. But okay, those are pretty cute. See these sneakers? These look like a huge 7.5. These look huge. I assume this is all women's, right? These are Under Armour, man-made upper, leather and synthetic upper. Pretty cute. White and then seafoam green and dark blue sneakers. Like a little stickiness there, but not too worn out. These are pretty clean. I'm surprised. I don't know why they wouldn't take these. Those are pretty cute. I have a few pairs of sneakers now, but like one of my favorite pairs I never want to wear because I don't want to get it dirty because it's all black. So I don't know. These might work out. I might keep those too. All right, Paul Sperry. Is that the same as like Sperry? Yeah, okay, it says Sperry on the bottom. Oh, these don't look very worn either, but they're missing shoelaces. What the heck? That's kind of annoying. So these are like a little sneakery type thing. I feel like Sperry's always run small, but these are like not their typical boat shoe. I mean, they're in pretty good shape, but you could always throw your own laces on there. I can look them up and then see if they were like a leather lace or like a regular shoelace, but kind of cute. I'll probably end up listing these. I don't know. They're not really my thing, but if you're interested, I will have my email linked down below. If you want to buy them directly through me, that way we can use PayPal and it will be a little cheaper than if you were to buy them on a platform. But they'll probably also be on my closets down below. More J. Crew, pop of red color. Oh, these are wicked cute. They're like a low block heel. Okay, I kind of really love these. Why do I not own red shoes? They have a little ankle strap. They're in good shape. None of these are too dirty so far. I mean, yeah, there's wear. Can't really tell like how much wear. They're kind of suedey. Oh, these say spring 20s. They're a pretty recent style. The upper is leather. Everything else is synthetic. So I don't know. Some people love to sell J. Crew. I feel like it just sits and sits for me. I have one bathing suit listed I cannot get rid of. Someone take it off my hands. That's a size 0. Please go check it out. It's cute. It's just tiny. So I feel like if I were to list these, they do pretty well because they're a recent style. They're really cute. I mean, they're like a good basic but nice pop of color. Clearly by my nail color that's like falling off. You can tell I'm a big red girl. These are actually really cute. Good date night shoe. Oh no, I might have to keep these. Those might be my favorites so far. All right, and some black heels. Ooh, Vince, made in Italy, European size 38. Vince is pretty good, right? I think that's like the pretty good one. These are really nice, like a basic pointy toe heel. The suede looking upper wear on the bottom, but well, kind of minor scuffs here, but nothing too bad. It's not like missing the finish, at least on that one. Hair on it. Heels are not something I wear, especially now that everything's from home, so I can't really justify keeping these. They are a gorgeous like classic shoe though. I love the pointy toe. It's super in. I'll have to look these up. These might be a pretty good value because I think Vince is pretty dang good. I know I have some Vince Camuto pants that I absolutely love. So these are really nice, real classy. Beautiful. In pretty good shape. Okay, so I was a little nervous that I would get something pretty gross because like you hear used shoes and I don't know, some people might get freaked out by that. I always sanitize and clean them before I wear them, but everything's in pretty good condition. I'm a little annoyed that these don't have a shoelace, but you know, it's a rescue box, so who knows? I'm excited to look up those Vince shoes. These are really cute. These scream me. It's a little bit of a wear on the front toe, but I can deal with like a low heel if I'm like dressing up. I recently bought some sandals kind of similar to this style. This part doesn't look worn at all, but this part does. How does that work? Did someone just walk on their tippy toes? I don't know. So pretty positive experience. I'm gonna have to look up comps and try everything on and decide what I'm gonna keep. But if you're interested in anything, leave me a comment or hit me up at that email or look up my Poshmark and we can work out a deal. Thank you so much for watching my unboxing. If you have tried any Thredup rescue boxes, I want to hear all about your experiences in a comment down below. Please give my video a like so I know you liked it. It's a different type of video, but I hope you liked it. If you're looking for yourself, these are a really good value. There's like a mixed clothing lot of 25 items for I think $60 plus shipping. So pretty exciting. It's like thrifting without leaving the house if you're nervous about being around other people now that things are getting a little crazy out there yet again. Then this could be a good option for you if you really like to thrift. It's just a fun surprise. I don't know, it sounded really appealing to me and this was one of the cheaper boxes, so it was a good option. I feel like I've been really switching up my shoes and trying new things a lot lately. So thank you so much for watching this with me today. Who knows, I may get another one in the future. Let me know if you'd like to see any more thrifting or reseller type content because I have been thrifting a ton and finding a lot of cool stuff. It's been keeping me busy and it's been super fun. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already to join our GlamBAM fam and hit that bell button to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you guys for hanging out with me today and I will see you in the next one. 3, 2, 1, bam!